In this video, we talk about how you can manage your Fiverr account to, to reduce blocking restrictions of any kind. Now, the first thing you want to go and do now is I will recommend some VPN to you. So it's either you download this from Scribe or you use Node. Either of these two. These are the two VPN you need for this class. Now, make sure you download this Node and subscribe to one of their package. That's very, very important. Let's see. Okay, so monthly you pay $9. You pay $9 monthly. Year, if you are paying for a year plan, that is $49. That's like $4.08 per month. Now let's check NordVPN. Let's see the rates. Okay, they even have some deals going on now. Let's see, 2 years plan for how much? Okay, 2 years plan for $89. Yeah, and if you are buying for a year, that's $59, and for a month is like $11.95. So, but I recommend using Node. You can also use Winscribe, of course. They have good server. So I have my Node. I subscribe for a Node VPN, and that's what I'm using. And in this class, you are going to learn how to manage your, especially for we Nigerians, how you can manage your Nigeria account in such a way that it doesn't get blocked. So every time you want to log in your Nigeria account, make sure you are connected to this location, South Africa. This will help you realize some good stake in your account management. Now, why do you need to do this? And that's because on this VPN, this is the only African country you have. Some of us have 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts, and we mismanage them and we later get it blocked. By number one, let's see this. Okay, logging in and logging out accounts on Fiverr. So let's say I want to log in my account. The account I want to log in is United States account, so I have to connect to United States VPN. So immediately I'm done with that. Immediately I got connected, then I can log in into my account and see, is this actually working? Okay, connected. So good. Let's go to fiverr.com. So good. So as you can see, this account is even February 2021, and it survived the Fiverr pandemic that happens a few months back. As you can see also, so what am I trying to say in this video is you just have to manage your account very well in this way. So logging in and logging out, you can just, some people, when you are operating accounts, the first mistake you do is you are using some kind of extension VPN. That's very bad. You can't use that and make your account survive. Don't use extension. Go and download a VPN app from Microsoft Store. Download from Microsoft Store, or if you are using MacBook, go and download from your Apple Store and use a premium version of those VPN. Don't use free VPN here. If you are using Winscribe and you want to use this same method, free version of Winscribe using this same method, well, I can still guarantee that your account will be saved like 60 or 70%. But if you are using this method, I'm 99.99% sure that you are going to secure account from getting blocked or restricted. Now, logging in and logging out, some of us, we just come here, log out your account, and immediately you do that. Those are the reasons. That's number one reason, and you just enter another details. Okay, and enter your password and you log in again. One thing you must realize is every of this browser has its own cake and cookies, and you have to know that. So immediately you do this, let's say you are not using that account again, or something is happening that you are not using that browser for that account again. Instead of logging out and logging in, quickly clear your browser history by clicking on Ctrl H, or you come down here, come to history here and go to history, then clear all data. You can clear all data by doing this. So yeah, so it brings you here, go to the advanced, pick all time, then mark everything, choose everything you see here and clear your data. So that is the first thing you want to go and do if you want to change your account browser. So, but I will recommend that you don't even change browser. Don't change browser like that. Just go and download a browser for each account. So I'm using this browser for this account. I'm using this browser for another account. I'm using this browser for another account. So don't clone a lot of browser. Let's say, for example, Chrome. Cloning a lot of Chrome browser and trying to log in your account randomly without using VPN. Those that will get your account blocked, and also not using VPN. So if I want to log in my Nigerian account, then I will need to choose South Africa, like I told you the other time. And whenever I want to do that, make sure you quickly, you have to quit the browser you logged in that account on. Quit it, then log in another account using another country IP. So depending on the country IP you are using, that will determine the result the location you are going to choose on your Nord VPN. So now let's see another thing that might get your account blocked on Fiverr. I've talked about cake and cookies. Now, sharing Wi-Fi with other people, sometimes when you are connected to this internet, the internet connection you are using, probably it's from an hotspot source, and a lot of people are using it, like 5 people are using it, and none of you are using VPN, and you are connected to your Fiverr account. Definitely expect some issues with your account because you are operating from the same IP. The logic is just that this OPC you are seeing, this environment of this PC has its own IP, and automatically, if I'm using a browser here, this browser we choose the PC IP. Okay, let's take, for example, let's do some things. Let's say, okay, where am I connected to? I'm connected to South Africa, right? I'm connected to South Africa. Good. Now let's search something on Google and see the location we are going to get. Exactly. You can see this is South Africa. Down here, South Africa. Or let's say I'm connected to another location. I'm connected to Spain. So immediately I'm connected to Spain. Let's search something else on Google. Is it connected? Okay, good. So, okay, immediately you can see it is 100% Spanish, Espanol. So that's what we're talking about this VPN. You see, VPNs you can't just be using anyhow VPN because some are not strong. Even some of them, they are premium version, but they are still fake. So I guarantee I'm giving you assurance on these 2 VPNs I've talked about earlier. So just make sure you use those VPN. And like I said, Wi-Fi, don't share Wi-Fi with people. If you're sharing Wi-Fi with people, make sure you are connected to a strong VPN source. So let's check other stuff we have here. Okay, we've talked about VPN. Then bias. How can you make sure you don't get your account blocked? Is by making sure you deliver 100% quality projects, and by making sure you don't have issues with your buyers. If you're having issues with your buyers and probably your buyers just went to the customer support and report you, then you might have issues with your account. That happens a lot, and you see some people, they've just complained, my account got blocked, but I don't know what I do. You know what you did, and there's a lot of errors in your account management, like I've explained earlier. So what you want to do now, if you use this simple logic, this simple system that I've been using for the past 8 months, and even when there is mass account blockage on Fiverr, it only affects one of my accounts. I will not lie, just one, and that account is a new account actually. And sometimes when I log in on that account, I forgot to on VPN. Then before I come back to on it, Fiverr will detect your IP, and Fiverr will not give you issues on your account when you don't make any money. Fiverr start giving you issues when you start making money. So that's one of the problems on that platform, but it's not a problem if you know how to maneuver your way. So what you want to do now is to make sure you keep to all these rules and regulations. So I don't think $9 is too much every month, or if you have that money, you can just go and subscribe for the not a year Nord, that's $59, or subscribe $49. Also, this NordVPN is not only you can share it with other people, like 5 to 10 people can use it. Just share your password and your username. Don't go and buy those cracked ones you see online. Subscribe with your own credit card or debit card and let them charge the money from you. Use your email and use a secured password. You are going to know more about it when you start downloading, and you just buy like you are buying anything online, and that's just it. So if you have any question, you can drop your comments under the comment section of this video, and we are going to rub minds together and see if you have encountered any other issues apart from this, and maybe for some other reasons why Fiverr blocked the account. You can come up with those issues as well, and we are going to solve it together. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.